Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Have you been trying to use Stable Diffusion to generate that awesome anime picture? And you've been trying prompts like specific ones, but you think there's something a bit off about the picture? Well, good news! For today's video, we will be giving you some tips on how to improve your AI art. Let's go! So let's say we included some prompts in here, and this is the picture that you're gonna get. So yeah, you may think that something's up about the picture, like the contrast isn't too great. It looks like a bit gray. The colors are all washed out. So how do we make this better? And you try something like, I don't know, maybe you try to push the quality up by putting in quality tags because that's what you found on the internet. And then you hit generate again, but you just get something that looks almost identical, almost the same. Something feeling a bit dead about the picture. Now, there's really an easy way to make your images look 10 times better. Well, actually, 100 times better. And that is to use negative prompts, a very specific negative prompt. Behold the secret technique. Low quality, worst quality, it removes low quality and all the bad quality out of the equation, which improves your image. So if we hit generate, let's see how this works. There we go, miles better already. So this is the way to make it even better, and that is to emphasize these prompts by putting them inside brackets and adding a number to multiply the effect. So you get something like this. Now, the awesome thing is you can just keep on going. It may not necessarily make it better, but make sure you don't go overboard with the numbers or you'll get some truly crisp images. Now, the interesting thing about the negative prompts that we have is it actually improves the output so much that you can generate new images without prompts at all. So there we go, just a few steps on how to improve your AI art.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.